Here is an interesting overview. There is a new viral Salute Emoji. So to use Salute Emoji anywhere on social media or in like where you need it, you just go to search emoji keyboard and then just search for emoji, and then here you have this. So this is Salute Emoji. This is how it looks like. Yeah, and this is kind of fun. In the beginning I didn't even understand like what that is, but I was like, oh, okay, this is it. So this is a salute. I was like, what's happening with this emoji? So yeah, as you can see, this is it. It's quite fun. So you can definitely use it, just in case you were not sure what is this, how to use it, and what it means. I still don't, like it just means salute, but I don't know all the peculiar like details of what it exactly entails. But anyhow, this is how you can enable it.